Dear team, dear board, dear members.
Happy anniversary.
Happy 15th anniversary to the Global Alliance for Banking on Values.
Happy 15th anniversary to GABV.
Feliz aniversario, GAB. Sigamos marcando la diferencia.
Congratulations, GABV.
Congratulations, GABV.
Congratulations, GABV.
Congratulations, GABV.
What an accomplishment.
Un abrazo por el 15º aniversario.
Congratulations everybody with the 15th anniversary.
We founded the GABV in 2009 during the financial crisis. It was the start of a journey for the 9 founding members as they wondered about the impact and the role GABV could play. And it became a successful movement and a reference for a different way of banking and dealing with money. By prioritizing human dignity, being environmentally conscious, and being economically sound, we were a beacon of hope for many.
A small group of persons came together from different continents. Our financial institutions served new and specific markets, very different from the traditional ones, very different from each other. We had the dream to create a distinctive worldwide organization with a powerful message and an important impact.
15 years ago, there were many values-based banks, but we were working in isolation. And as a result, we were missing opportunities to achieve meaningful change at scale. And I'm so delighted to see that 15 years on, the Global Alliance for Banking on Values is still pursuing its original mission.
We want to help to create a society that promotes the quality of life for all its members on a thriving planet. The GABV has shown that value-based banking is essential for a sustainable future.
The GABV is a unique alliance contributing to prosperity and dignity in human life.
We believe that values are the basic of banking, and sustainable finance has the power to transform the economy and our society. We are convinced that this benefits everyone, our customers, our employees, and societies around the world.
As an alliance, it is our work and our strategic mission to expand, strengthen, and transform values-based banking worldwide.
These banks saw the value of strength and community to let the world that there are alternative models for banking. A model focused on delivering economic resiliency, environmental regeneration, and social empowerment rather than just financial returns for shareholders and management.
Those members are dedicated to financing the change we want to see, to alleviating poverty by building more financially inclusive communities, and to help communities and business transition to more environmentally friendly ways of operating.
I'm so excited that Credit Human is a part of GABV. Every major business decision that we make, down to even the little details, is based on a values-based decision. We always say what's in the best interest of our members and what's in the best interest of our communities that we serve.
15 years of the Global Alliance for Banking on Values. I want to thank Peter Blum for changing my life and therefore changing the lives of thousands of other people. We are making a huge difference, and I'm just incredibly pleased to be part of it.
The Alliance is for us a mirror to look into for banking for a better world. As a cooperative, creating wealthy, equalitarian and more sustainable communities, it's at the core of our banking. Laura Alcucha's 65th anniversary is also the Alliance 15th, may be the start of many more.
For the last 15 years, GABV has been the home of banks and credit unions that have truly aspired to put values first and use the power of banking to change the world. They've created a forum for financial institutions from around the world to come together and share ideas. And in the process of doing so, has created an opportunity for all of us to learn and to be better than we were.
Our involvement with the Global Alliance for Banking on Values, GABV, is a testament to our commitment to banking that goes beyond mere transactions. We are committed to a value-driven approach that prioritizes people and the planet, reinforcing our role as a responsible financial institution.
Banco de Desarrollo, el Banco de Desarrollo de los Pueblos, es miembro de la Alianza Global de Banca de Valores porque pautamos nuestro comportamiento sobre los principios que abarcan 3 grandes objetivos: el desarrollo económico, la reducción de brechas sociales y la vida en armonía con el medio ambiente.
The reason why Tribank joined GABV was trying to find people with the same values in banking by creating vibrant societies and equitable societies.
We strongly believe that every person counts. Every person deserves a bank that helps and supports. But banking on values is more than good products. It's the commitment to ethics and decent bank practices.
With the support of GABV, we have become the first bank in Nepal to sign fossil fuel non-proliferation treaty in the country. Also the first bank to disclose our carbon footprint through the business and ESG implementation in the country.
Durante 15 años, la GABV ha sido pionera en la transformación del sector financiero, inspirando a bancos como el nuestro a adoptar prácticas más justas y sostenibles. En Banco Mundo Mujer compartimos esta visión al ser un aliado de los colombianos, facilitando el acceso a servicios financieros que transforman vidas.
En Banco de la Antigua estamos orgullosos de ser miembros de la Alianza Global de Bancos con Valor. Compartimos los mismos valores en impulsar una banca ética y transparente. En todos nuestros proyectos y actividades diarias apoyamos al microempresario guatemalteco en el crecimiento de su negocio y promovemos la inclusión financiera.
Through our projects, we positively impact the lives of many people by supporting production of healthy food, preserving biodiversity, providing housing and work opportunities for people with disabilities, affordable housing for ordinary people, and projects that contribute to a free and diverse cultural life.
In line with GABV's theme of transforming lives, we're helping low-income earners access affordable homes, we're lending for specialist disability accommodation, and we provide home loan discounts for customers who make green upgrades to their homes. We inspire and empower our customers to use their money to create a world where people and the planet thrive.
For Bank Companion, being part of GABV means prioritizing people, customers and employees, alongside the profits. We are committed to providing high-value, long-term support through financial services that are accessible and affordable.
Para nosotros ha sido un honor haber sido miembro y seguir siendo miembro de esa institución, sobre todo porque nos ha permitido mantener ese concepto de banca sostenible, banca ética, banca centrada en valores y una banca que da la oportunidad de la esperanza de los más necesitados.
A leading indicator of our progress is that we have, for the second year in a row, been recognized for the work we're doing around sustainable lending. And GABV's impact cannot be understated. A great example is the tremendous partnership it took to found and launch PCAF, the global standard for calculating emissions.
The past 15 years of collaboration by the Global Alliance for Banking on Values with its many members proves that change can be made in traditional and deeply embedded systems like banking, especially when we focus on the right things, that being people, planet, and prosperity.
We all believe that finance is a very efficient means to build a future of happiness and prosperity, to monitor where the money goes and understand the consequences of this.
Every day we hear news stories about the effect of climate change, decreasing biodiversity, wars, conflicts and inequality. More than ever, we need to keep working to change the financial system and showing the world that it is possible to use money for good.
Today, after 15 years of successes, more than 70 banks, close to 70 million people served all over the world, the Global Alliance is still needed, very much needed. It's about the soul of business. It's about the spirit of business. It's about the values. And that's the reason why the Global Alliance for Banking on Values is still today more needed than ever.
Hace 15 años, cuando el sistema financiero convencional mostraba grandes desafíos, la Alianza Global de Banca con Valores, GABV, se planteó el reto de redefinir la banca con un enfoque centrado en valores, sostenibilidad y responsabilidad social. Este giro audaz ofreció una alternativa poderosa en tiempos de necesidad, permitiendo crear un ecosistema de intercambio de experiencias entre todas las instituciones miembros de la red.
Being part of the Banking with Values movement means aligning our finances with our purpose of welfare for people and the planet.
Largely because of our social mission, we are very much committed to ensuring that clients have both social and financial transformation, and that's what GABV means to us. The value of GABV has been brought to bear on our work, where focusing on the ethics related to banking has been key.
Unity Trust Bank transforms people's life every day. I see lots of examples. I go and visit those customers, those prospects, and I went recently to the northeast of England. An individual who'd taken redundancy, who was ploughing that redundancy into helping people at the final stage of their addiction recovery.
The GABV was needed 15 years ago, and we are needed today because the world needs a lighthouse in the financial sector when it comes to the support of sustainability and social responsibility around the world.
We'll need
to be continued over the years to come. We're still not there. We need more support for cities to transform, to become sustainable. We need banks that are ready and understand and prioritize the people who are looking for homes. We need much more. And JBV banks, I'm sure you can together deliver.
Over the past 15 years, we worked together to finance transformation for the greater good. By complete transparency, we have enabled people to take over responsibility for their financial decisions. We have financed courageous and pioneering projects, bringing forward a regenerative economy.
What was needed 15 years ago is what exactly we are doing at GABV, helping people to ensure that they get a social impact. And this is what exactly Central Bank in Uganda is doing. It makes banking useful for the economy, which eventually would ensure sustainability.
Idea of banking with impact has arrived in mainstream finance. What's ours to do for the next 10-15 years? Innovate solutions for those that are marginalized, help displaced families, and address ecological crisis we are facing.
Due to the vivid exchange between the member banks, our development benefits from the experience of values-based banks from around the world. Thank you for this substantial contribution and congratulations on 15 years of existence.
A la GABV, nuestro más sincero reconocimiento por su labor en estos 15 años en los que ha sido un agente de cambio a través de la promoción de la banca con valores.
I am so proud to be associated with GABV.
The Global Alliance for Banking and Values will always be part of my soul.
Together, we transform banking and we transform lives.
En nombre de la alcaldesa queremos felicitar a la GABV por este 15 aniversario.
Let us continue to unite and strive for connection.
We've got much work to continue.
We are needed now more than ever.
Can't wait to see what you do next in the next 15 years.
Here's to all the years of impact to come.
Here's to many more years of positive impact and meaningful change together.
A wonderful 15 years and to 15 years more.